Okay, I'm back. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Since I completed this game, we are still gonna do.
Tenpenny, you motherfucking piece of
Okay,
shit!
what the
I ain't letting you get away with all you done.
heck?
Wait, no!
Okay, let me just do this first. Okay, I finally completed the mission. And who is this?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, yo.
Hello?
Yes, Claude! Faster, hard!
Catalina, you sick. Get help.
Andrew Carl, you are jealous!
Hey, shut up. I thought you were nice, but you ain't. What's this? Never mind, I don't know what's that. I just found this. When you look upside down and you look at the Vago's hood, it's like the letter L, but it looks like a skeleton to me. Looks like a skeleton to me. What are these secrets, man? This is the most easiest way. Haha! All you have to do is just get on the roof and shoot the balas.
Jumping on this fool.
Hello!
Fool.
Lagyan ng tubig, kuya.
Oh my gosh. I have the homies here. Let's go, we have the homies.
What's up?
Come on, Ballas. What you think? What the heck did I just do? No, not like that. I like jumped and then I fell. Wait. What the heck? Oh, never mind. Welcome to Grove Street. Okay, this is Mad Dog's mansion. And y'all been waiting for me to go inside. Oh, this is the entrance. Is this a pool? Because it looks like. I don't know. What's these two rooms? Huh. What the heck is that painting? Can someone blurry that? A gym and a basketball? Damn. A beer. Yeah, beer. And a video game. I always wanted to play video games. Can I play? Let me play. Oh, I like this. Power. Okay, this is so fun. No, this is too bad. This is too ugly. Let's explore more. Ooh. Wow. Where are those books? Oh yeah, this is the singing setup. What's this? It looks like an office bookshelf. Light. Ooh, car. I don't even know what's that painting. Ooh, another living room. Ooh, a kitchen. No, that's not a kitchen. That's a dining area. It could be a beer or a dining area. Ooh, arcade machines. God. Living area again? Or lounge? What's this? Ooh, New York. That does not look like New York, but it looks like San Andreas. Ooh, ooh, another bedroom. Another bedroom. Ooh, thank for that. Get this. And then this. There's a lot of bedrooms, man. I guess that's it. I guess. Okay. If you want more videos of this, come on my video. So bye bye.